Now Ovako launched the heat treatment guide as a part of the Steel Navigator package. As there are so many steel grades available in the world, it can be difficult to find relevant data for a specific steel grade. We decided to develop the heat treatment guide as a tool for the customer to find the right steel. The heat treatment guide allows the user to evaluate how different steel grades respond to hardening and tempering. The results are hardness as a function of cooling rate and hardness as a function of tempering temperature. The results are presented in a CCT-diagram, jominy-curve and a tempering diagram. So we believe that you as a customer can use this tool to find the right steel for you.